An anxious mother dog is jumping into the floodwater to save the life of her drowning puppy. A police officer tried to stop the distressed mama, but in vain. The scared mama dog dived right into the deep floodwater to rescue the stranded puppy. Just like humans, animals also have an innate maternal instinct that impels them to protect and care about their young. This brave mama dog has managed to get a drowning puppy and is now swimming towards the shore. The fierce and protective maternal instinct has kicked in, and there is nothing this mother wouldn't do to save the life of her precious little one. Despite all the dangers posed by the floodwater, the courageous mama dog managed to get her baby safely to the shore. The stray dog has given birth to 5 puppies inside a gutter somewhere in India. The rising rainwaters are posing a serious threat to the life of her precious babies, so she had to take action right away. The low-lying gutter began to fill up with water. The concerned mama dog, fearing for her pups, decided to move them to another gutter. Moms can go to incredible lengths to protect and care for their young. So is this stray dog. The other gutter has a very narrow opening, making it rather difficult for mama dog to get in and out. But every effort is worthwhile, and there is nothing she wouldn't do to save the lives of her young. But undeterred, she is lifting all her 5 puppies one by one, struggling to shift them to their new home. As we get more and more familiar with the animal world, we realize that their maternal instinct is just as powerful as ours, maybe even stronger. Many residents are watching the mother dog's plight and are moved to see her incredible efforts. Some of them tried to provide shelter to them, but the concerned mama had already moved the puppies to the new gutter and preferred to keep them together. Motherhood is simply incredible.